All right, welcome back, guys. Like I said, that video, I can only get 5 minutes, so you just have to bear with me. I'll put all these videos onto Canvas, though, and label them all so you guys can see them. So leaving off where, starting off where we left off, area equals base times height divided by 2. So our height is going to just be from the top to the bottom. Like I think about, hey, if we're thinking about how tall something is, all right, you measure from the floor up. If you're measuring how tall a person is, measure from the floor all the way up to the top of their head, okay? So 21.3 is going to be our height. So our height here is 21.3, and then our base is 15. So what we have to do, plugging it into our formula, all right, we're going to do 21.3 times 15, and we're going to divide that by 2. Okay, I think that's a little bit easier than multiplying by our 1/2 is just dividing by 2. Once we do that, we're going to get a final answer, all right, a final answer here of 159.75. So you plug that in your calculator, 159.75, and then we are going to be in meters squared, okay, meters squared. So for number 2, 159.75 meters squared. All right. Questions on that one, guys? Good. All right. So, and that was just, I always say that. So, if you guys do have any questions, please shoot me an email. Please get in contact with me some way, shape, or form. All right. So, the next one, all right, showing that it's a parallelogram because we have, hey, opposite sides are going to be congruent. So for this one, our formula is going to be area equals base times height, okay? Equals base times height. All we have to do for this one is do 7.1 times 12.9. All right. So punch her into your calculator there, and you get a final answer of 90. Oop, that's a 9. That is a 9. All right. 91.59. All right, and what unit are we in? Inches. So it's inches squared. Good. So hope you guys don't think this is too terribly difficult. All right. So number 4. Number 4, guys. Number 4 is a circle. Okay. So and we've kind of done this before. So area equals pi r squared. All right, so pi r squared. Now, do they give us a radius or diameter? I hope you guys think about that for a second and be like, oh, yeah, 26 is the length of the whole thing, so that's a diameter. So how do we find the radius? What do we do? Divide by 2. All right, so we take that 26, and if we just want this part right here, we take 26 divided by 2, and that gives us 13. So our radius for this one is going to be 13. So we plug 13 in for R right there. There we go. All right. So area equals pi times 13 squared. And when you punch that all in your calculator, it should be 169 pi or 530.93 yards squared. Okay, so area is always in square units, so yards squared. Okay. Hopefully this isn't too terribly difficult here, guys. Now we are going to move on to 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now for number 5, okay, number 5 is going to be a trapezoid. So number 5 is a little bit different. Okay, a little bit different when we're trying to find the area of a trapezoid. So the area for a trapezoid is area equals, again, the 1/2 we're going to throw in there because you're always going to see that. And then we're going to multiply the height of the trapezoid times the quantity base 1 plus base 2. And I'm going to put B1 plus B2 for that, okay? So that is the formula for area of a trapezoid. So looking at that one, 19 is going to be our B1, and 27 is going to be our B2. Now, I could switch that up, doesn't matter.